Let's see how we can explore our data using BigQuery tools. In the last demo, we created this user-defined function that it converts the Roman numerals of the Super Bowl games into integers. Now we're going to use that function in this query down here. So notice we're going to do a union query. A union query takes the results of two selects and mashes them together as if they were a single select. So notice in the first one, we're getting all the winning teams and their game number. And then in the second query, we're getting all the losing teams and their game number. And then at the bottom, we're ordering the results by game number. Now, let's run that query and see what happens. So let's see, the query was run, and then we'll see each game. So Super Bowl 1 was the Packers and the Chiefs, and Super Bowl 50 were the Broncos and the Panthers, and then if we go to the next page, the last Super Bowl was the Chiefs and the Buccaneers. So there's the results of our query. Now I'm going to click on this button right here, explore the data, and then I'm going to open that up with DataStudio. In DataStudio here, I see a table with my query results. So if you notice here, we have a table, and then here's each team, and here's the record count or the number of Super Bowls. In this case, each team has played in. So the Patriots have played in 11 Super Bowls, and the Broncos and the Cowboys and the Steelers have played in 8 Super Bowls, and so on and so forth. Now notice here, in this window here, I'm asking to see the data as a table, and then down below here, it is showing me why I'm getting the results that I'm getting. So under here, under dimensions, I'm saying I want to see the team or each team, and then below that, we're adding a metric, and the metric count in this case is record count. Now, if we wanted to see it differently, we could do that. So let's create a different visualization instead of a table. So maybe a pie chart would be useful with this sort of information. So clicking on the pie chart, again, is just giving me a different view of the same data. So we see New England has played in 10% of the Super Bowls, and there's the Cowboys and the Broncos and the Steelers and so on. And then other teams have played in 43% of the Super Bowls. Now, if I want to restyle the pie chart a little bit, we can go over here to the Properties window. So let's click Style, and then notice here we can select the number of pie slices we want to see. So we could make that more slices if we wanted to, or maybe that looks a little bit too busy. So we can select maybe fewer slices. We can also control the color scheme of the chart if we like. We can control the fonts and the legend of the pie chart, and so on and so forth. Anyway, that was just a quick demo on how you can use DataStudio to explore your data in BigQuery. This is Doug Renstrom with ROI Training.